Rubber ducks. Look at that. Georgia Southern. About to go in here where they, in this little area here, and see what they got in here. Oh, we got an exhibit in here. Rain gardens. These are the man workers.
Redfish are the big hog trough. Yeah. What are those? These are spotted hake, so you catch these or bycatch on the trawls a lot of times. Okay. Yeah. They don't get much bigger than that. You want to touch that?
All kinds of stuff out here.
About timber rattlers, copperhead, cottonmouth.
Right around water, and yeah, that's where you start out fishing down there. They're really
A little bit bigger, a little bit chunkier.
yeah, we have those before.
He only sits about her shoulders. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so these guys are, and it's really useful for that because so ambush predators, what they like to do is they'll hang out one spot and they're really good at.
Look at this. Okay, here's where the food trucks are. The ocean scientific vessel right here. We got a cruise ship too down here. Look at that. Where's your silver cycle?